Hello everyone and welcome. As you know, crabs are available in plenty in Goa, but there are only two types of crabs are available. One is called a mud crab or river crab. We call this is a river crab, and one is a sea crab. There is a difference between these two crabs. The sea crabs shells are very delicate, while river crab shells are very hard. So river crab is much tastier than sea crab. Now I am going to cook Karange's reshad, that is called stuffed crab meat, and I will serve it in the crab shell only. First you have to wash the crab and open the top part of the shell. You just catch hold of the, I open the crab. Now what I will do it, I will clean the crab, remove the gills of the crab and cut the crab into two pieces. I will take the shells. After cleaning this, I can make out this is the female crab. See, the stomach is out little bit and they got a little bit thinner claws. That is called female crabs. You can find out there is coral inside. That is called female crab. I will keep water on fire and put the shell crab claws inside and boil it. Boil all the shells and claws. Boil it till it turns red in color shells. The crabs are almost cooked. Now I'll just remove it from and put for chilling, so that I can remove the flesh out of these claws. I'll take the shell and crab and remove the flesh of it. You can just press it, everything is come out. See, same way you just break the claws. See, and just collect it. Try to remove the flesh from the crab as much as possible. You have to take the ingredients like spice, red chilies, say about 4-5 red chilies, then 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 4-5 green cardamom, 6-8 pieces of peppercorn, just 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 number cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. You take all this together and take the mixer. You have to roast it first. After roasting this, you have to grind together. You grind these all ingredients together after roasting till you get fine powder of all the spices. You have to grind it. It takes a lot of time to grind it, but you have to grind it till it become fine powder. Yeah, I got it now. It's become fine powder. So I remove this powder. From the mixer or grinder. Now you have to take the peel onion, say 2 numbers onions, and peel it well and chop it fine. Chop it fine. By the time you keep the you have to keep the frying pan on fire with the oil. I have taken the olive oil, so it tastes better, olive oil. you must use good oil, either vegetable oil you can use it or olive oil, and little of butter. Say about 2 spoons of olive oil, 1 spoon of butter, you have to take the chopped garlic and chopped ginger. See, I have taken the chopped garlic and ginger. First I will put garlic inside to fry, and then I will put little ginger in it and let it get fry. After getting little fry garlic, you have to put chopped onion in it. Now you add the chopped onion to it. And just stir it till it get fried well. You take 1 number tomato, and chop it fine. If it is small tomato, you can take 2 tomatoes. If it is a bigger one, you take only 1. Chop it very fine, tomato. Let it get little brown in color. Then you have to add tomatoes to it and mix it well and fry it for some time. After cleaning all the crabs, I found that meat, fresh crab I have taken and boiled crabs also I have taken. Some crabs, they are having it coral, egg mass in it, which are very tasty and very delicate. We call it a delicacy of our food, crab meat. I will take all the crabs and mix it well. This is a crab meat. See, this is the coral luck, we call yellowish color. Especially from the lobster shells, you get very good coral, and you can make different sauces out of that coral. And especially for the continental cuisine, they use very much in that. I'll use it masala which we grind together, roasted spice masala. I'll add to it 2 spoons, big spoons. These are. Now you just mix it up well, let it get cooked for some time. Now I'll add the crab meat to it and mix it well. Let it get boiled for some time. By the time you have to add the salt to it. You can use rock salt, which is harvesting in our salt pans locally. This is called rock salt, and this is a powder of salt. Just add to it 1 teaspoon and mix it well. I'll take 1 or 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp and add to it. You have to add the tamarind pulp. Why we are using tamarind? Just to give a sourness for your dish. Just add the coconut milk to it, say about half teacup, and mix it well. And you have to cook till it becomes dry. I'll take the fresh coriander leaves, wash it well, and chop it. And add to the meat. Now almost your crab meat is getting cooked and it's ready. You take one onion, half of it. You add one chili also green to it. You just add your green chili and onion to it and fry it little bit. Now you add the red spinach to it. Now you add little salt to it and grated coconut. And just mix it. It's ready. Your red spinach is ready. I'll keep ready the platter. By the time I'll take the one cucumber and peel it with my pocket peeler. I'll just cut the edge of this cucumber. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'll turn it. I'll make a flower. First eyes are eating, then your mouth is eating. In olden days only mouth was eating, but nowadays the presentation is very important. How you present it. I'll take the mold. I'll just apply little butter. Then I'll fill up the spinach in the mold. Now you take this and put on the now you take your shells which you have blanch it, boil it. I'll take the spoon and fill up the crab meat in the crab shell. And I got a crab shells, claws. I'll just put on this side of the dish. What I'll do it, I'll put a grated, you have to put a grated coconut, you can put anything. You can put white of any egg boil, chop, or yellow boil egg, chop. Just put the coriander on top. It stuffed crab is ready. It is very easy to prepare this dish. If you have your crab meat ready separately removed, and it's very good for the children to eat because there is not much spice and no shell in it, so that they can enjoy it better than with the shell crab. Thank you very much for watching this episode. I'll see you next time.